Over 90% of people fail online due to lack of team duplication and system automation. While those who have created success have done so while living an incredible life of prosperity and time freedom. But if you are struggling to live a life of prosperity and time freedom, I can tell you, you're not alone. If you're watching this video, you're here because you want more in your life, you're not satisfied with mediocrity or where you are currently, and you want more time freedom and more money. I cannot guarantee that everyone watching this will create success because in all reality, not everyone will take the action and follow my step-by-step instructions to succeed. But for the select few who follow my lead, completing every single step inside of this supercharged success system will have in their arsenal a completely automated system that is ready to earn you money around the clock. Whether you're at your computer, at the park, out on vacation, it does not matter. This system works with or without you. All you have to do is complete 4 simple, easy to follow steps that will give you an exact duplicate of my entire system. You'll get everything. My landing pages, my sales pages, my email follow-up, and I'll even give you my traffic sources. And I have a group which is going to help your prospects succeed at an exponential rate. Leveraging this system will allow you to start earning endless $80 commissions while also building your passive residual income through some of the tools that you need to set this system up. With zero extra work, this system literally does all of the selling for you. All you have to do is set it up and sit back and profit. But enough bantering. Let's get you set up and ready to earn. You can be ready within the hour. So let's get started. All right, and welcome to step number 1 of the supercharged success system. Now, I want to give you guys a brief overview of exactly what this system is so that you can understand the potential and why this is very important, not only for earning money today, but for earning money in the long term of your business. Now, if you don't take your business seriously and you don't picture the long term, you're never going to succeed. Now, when you're making money online, you have to understand there is several pieces to the puzzle that need to occur before a sale is made, okay? You first off need to have a high converting offer, which is going to be not only sustainable, but something that you can actually make a decent income from. Now, our main income multiplier inside of this system is MCA, or Motor Club of America. Now, MCA has a little bit of, a bad stigma due to the fact that a lot of people can't duplicate their success. You might go in, join MCA, sign up a couple hundred people and make some pretty decent money, but most of the teams can't do the same. Now, the reason for this system is to skip over that hump, right? This system is going to allow anybody, no matter what their skill set is, whether they're brand new, whether they're experienced, this is going to allow anyone to succeed with Motor Club of America. And if you stay with me to the very end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can leverage this system to start making a solid income. Now, as I stated in the intro, you're going to earn from 4 different income streams, and 2 of them are essential tools for your online business. The first one is what we're going to be using to create the system with. This is, as you guys see here, this page is the page that you're on right now, and this is made with ClickFunnels, okay? So you are going to need ClickFunnels in order to set this system up. Now, the cool thing about it is in step number 2, where I'm going to show you, let me just click on step number 2. If you want to navigate the site, all you got to do is click the images above, and they're actually going to take you over to that step that you want to go to. Now, as you see here, step number 2, you're going to be able to plug in your ClickFunnels affiliate link where you can start earning residual income from people that set up this system. So in the income multiplier step, you're going to be earning those $80 commissions from Motor Club of America. In step number 2, the system setup video, you're going to be earning from ClickFunnels. And in step number 3, you're going to be earning from Aweber. So if we click over here, right, another essential tool that you need to create a solid income online is your email autoresponder. My email autoresponder, is about 5,000 members right now. That gives me 5,000 people that I can, send an email broadcast to any point in time, and it, you can send these out, 2, 3, 4 times a day if you want. I recommend sending out, 1 or 2. But building an email list is essential for, a solid, stable business online. And now you can earn commissions from your from being an Aweber affiliate by promoting the Supercharged success system. And now in step number 4, I'm going to show you how to get traffic using solo ads. And again, you can create your Udemy account and you can actually earn from Udemy inside of this system. So now that you guys have a brief overview of exactly what this system is and how powerful it is when it comes to team duplication, I've set up these systems and been able to sign up hundreds of people in the first 30 days without actually ever talking to a single person. All right, you don't have to go out there pitching family and friends. You don't have to go out there, spamming people on Facebook. You can literally set up this system in the next hour, have traffic going to your system, and then you can start compounding your results, right? Getting those $80 commissions, that can allow you to purchase more traffic and scale this at an exponential rate. So first things first, what we want to do is we want to set up step number 1, which is our income multiplier. So if you are already a ClickFunnels member or an Aweber member or a Udemy member, that's completely fine. All you have to do is literally copy this system and plug in your affiliate links. And even if you're an MCA member, that is also fine as well. All you got to do is follow along with these 4 steps. In step number 2, I'm going to show you how to set up your affiliate links. But in this step right now, what I want to do is I want to show you how to set up your Motor Club of America account. Now, for those of you that don't know Motor Club of America, it is a insurance and roadside assistance business, and it is in Canada and the USA only. So you're going to get hotel discounts, you're going to get rental discounts, you're going to get prescription discounts, vision care, and even dental care discounts, up to 50%, sometimes some of them even up to 65%. So those are the benefits that you're going to get from the Motor Club of America, just the business itself for being a member. And to get started, it is $40 up front and then $20 per month. Now, you want to make sure that you get the total security plan. You don't want to get the security or the security plus, because we are going to be using this and we want to make sure that we get the affiliate bonus benefits, okay? So you want to make sure you get the total security. That's going to allow you to earn those $80 commissions. How are you going to earn money with MCA? MCA pays out in 4 different ways, okay? So you're going to earn $80 for every single person that you sign up. So when somebody goes through this system, right, when they go through the system, they watch the video that you're watching right now, they click the button below and they create their MCA account, you're going to earn an $80 commission, all right, as you see here. Now, you're also going to earn 66 cents, right? It's not too much, but you're also going to earn, remember, from those 3 other income streams, with ClickFunnels being residual and Aweber being residual. So you're going to not only earn from MCA, but you're going to earn from those 4 income streams as well. And you're also going to earn a volume bonus. So the more people you sign up, that $80 referral, if we scroll to the very bottom here, that can actually end up being up to 90 people or $90 per person, right? So if you sign up 30 people or more in a week, which if you leverage this system, you can easily start doing that once you start sending some significant traffic to it, then you can start making some crazy money, all right? So let's just grab out the calculator and say, okay, so let's say we signed up just 5 people a week. 5 times $80, right? So that's $400 just in one single week, only if you sign up 5 people. All right. Now, what if you made that 30-person mark, right? We're going to sign that up. Okay. So that's going to be an extra $2,400 per week. Now, that's just one of the income streams inside of this system. Like I said before, you're going to earn residuals from ClickFunnels, Aweber, and you're going to also earn when people buy traffic, which, as you guys see here, you can scale this very, very quickly with paid traffic. So more traffic that's bought, the more commissions that you make, and the more people you sign up. All right. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to click the button below this video. Once you click the button below that video, you're going to be redirected over to this page right here. Now, like I said previously, you want to make sure that you get the MCA Total Security package. You want to make sure that you grab that package so that you can earn those $80 commissions when people start to sign up. Now, once you've created your account, you want to make sure that you are eligible for payment. So you want to go down to Associates and you want to click on Associate Eligibility. Now, you want to make sure that you fill out that you have all these steps checked off so that you can start earning commissions every single week. They're going to be direct deposited right into your bank account. You don't have to do anything, and you're going to get those $80 commissions every single week. Now, in the next step, in step number 2, now that you have your MCA account set up, what we want to do is we want to actually set up our system. So what you want to do now that you've completed your MCA setup, all you got to do, like I said, click the button below this video. You're going to be redirected over to the TVC Matrix page. Now, don't worry, this is their affiliate login area. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you grab Total Security, and then you want to go under your associates, and you can see where it says My Website. This is going to be your affiliate link. Okay, so what I recommend you do is you grab this, you copy this link right here, and then you want to actually go and open up a new notepad and then just paste that into your notepad, because we're going to need that link later when we're setting up our system. So you're going to post that link right there, and then we can just leave that for now. We'll come back to that in step number 2. So once you have your MCA account set up, what I want you to do is just simply click on the DFY system setup, and I'll see you guys inside of that training.